Why, hello there! I did not see you there. I am Esteban. Nice to meet you. And this here is my nature's Cheeto. It's nothing like a Cheeto! When I was younger, I loved Cheetos. But then when I got older, I realized it's so bad for you. That is why I invented nature's Cheetos. With the help of my friend, Mother Nature. Nature's Cheetos really changed my life. Nothing's been the same since I started eating Nature's Cheetos. Nature Cheetos are my favorite thing in the world. They have tons of vitamin A. And vitamin A stands for awesome. Nature's Cheetos. They're nothing like Cheetos.
Nature's Cheetos. Now at your local retailers. Not to be confused with carrots. Except that's exactly what they are.